It just blew me away. I barely put any work. I just used ChatGPT really quick. I'm gonna show you what this is about and how you can do it really easy and super cheap. And this can change your life forever. The 60-day job escape plan. I made one sale in 10 minutes of work with one ChatGPT prompt. This is the 4 steps to remote freedom. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Remotable Millionaire. I want to show you really quick the 4 steps to remote freedom. This just got me by surprise. I'm excited to share this with you because I really believe that this can change your life forever. I just was playing around with some things, and this is what happened. And I think this anybody can do this, no matter what. If you're really broke, this is super cheap to start with, and the results are just out of this world. I've been following this method for a while, and then I decided to take action, and I put it together, and it just blew me away. I tried it really quick this morning. I couldn't sleep, and I just tried this really quick, and it just blew me away how I made so far one sale. And I'm sure that there's gonna be more sales coming in really soon, because it's still happening. I'm gonna show you right now what's this about, and I'm gonna show you right here how this sale came from. As you can see, MyLeadGenSecret. This is the tracking. It came out today. Today is October 24th. You can check the date on the video. It just blew me away. I barely put any work. I just used ChatGPT really quick. I'm gonna show you what this is about and how you can do it really easy and super cheap. And this can change your life forever. I really believe that if you focus for the next 60 days and you have a job, you can escape that plan, the job. Or if you already have a successful online business, this can take your skills and your business to the next level and your income to the next level. So let's go step by step. So see what you can do. Very easy. These resources are right below in the description, okay? And please like and subscribe to this channel. More videos about this coming in. I just barely started this channel like 2 weeks ago or something like that, and I already have over 50 videos. I have a lot of content to help you get that remote lifestyle. So let's do number 2. Step number 2. All you have to do is all the links are right below as well on the description. You just want to come here and you're just gonna get this started, okay? You can watch this free video really quick. It explains to you how to build a profitable online business. It's just blowing me away for real. And yeah, you can watch the video, or you can just click get started. You can get all this stuff. It's a 15-day challenge, and it's gonna teach you how to build a profitable business day by day. And you got a lot of bonuses here. But honestly, with just this video you're watching right now from me, you can just start making money with this system. So you had to wait the 15 days challenge so you can become an affiliate, which is what I did. So you just click here, get started. It's gonna be, you already have purchased this product, darn it. So yeah, I already purchased, but I think it's like $7 right now. It says it right there. Yes, for $7, you can get this whole system, all these bonuses, and you get to promote this product that is already making me money. It's already made me $2, almost $3. So it's like 50% commission or more. So this is what you start right now, okay? And that's it. And then step number 2. Well, okay, step number 2, you're gonna go through the challenge, but before you finish the challenge, it's a 15-day challenge, you're gonna have there all you need to start a business successfully online. You're gonna go to step number 2, right below in the description, and you should get started with this ASAP, because this thing, as soon as you sign up, okay, you can join right there. This is the system where I made the sale from, okay? This is MyLeadGenSecret. Remember that the sale came from MyLeadGenSecret right here. This is MyLeadGenSecret. So click on the link below on the step 2, and this thing is gonna reveal to you how you can get 100 leads every day. I swear to God, you will be getting 100 leads every single day with this system as soon as you join. And it's gonna let you send emails and everything. You can read more about this, watch the video with proof and everything. This video is really amazing. You should watch it. It's gonna show you different ways. He's gonna show you ways how to make money with this affiliate program with MyLeadGenSecret, promoting MyLeadGenSecret. But I recommend you to promote the 15-day challenge right here. It's up to you, or you're gonna start emailing as you are completing the 15-day challenge. you can promote this product as well in the meantime. That way you can start getting money and start practicing with this service right here, MLGS, right below, and check it out. It's the back office of the MLGS. It's very easy, very self-explanatory. There's videos also. You can get the quick start video, affiliate program, support, online resources as well. I believe they have live chat and support and all that stuff. But yeah, this is your affiliate link. You don't need to worry about it. When you sign up, they're going to offer you to get the master email swipes. Oh, I had to log in right now really quick. So they're going to try to upsell you to the master email swipes. We don't need this because I use ChatGPT for the emails. Okay, so basically this is an email system. Okay, and you can email those leads every day. So once a day at least. So I've been here with the system for a while. So I already have 47,500 leads in this one account alone. I also have another account where that way I get 300 leads. And more about that later. But you don't have to worry about having multiple accounts. If you don't have enough money, it's up to you. But if you can't afford multiple accounts, you can just start with one, $30 a month. That should be plenty with 100 leads every single day. And yeah, here's where you email these leads. So as you can see here in the statistics, I only got 40 clicks so far, but I made one sale already. So that's what I'm saying, that I'm expecting more sales to come because this thing is still emailing all my leads. It's emailing 47,500 people every single day, and not every single day, but today. So it's still emailing them on a timely manner, so it's not spammy and all that. So I'm still expecting to make more sales. That's why you make money also with the app sales and all that. So all I did here, so you come here to the mailing system. All I did was select all right here. I select to mail all the leads right here, and I selected this email right here. Okay, I'm gonna show you this email. Escape your job in 60 days, the secret to $10,000 per month online. So basically I call it the 60-day job escape plan too. I created an email about that as well. And all I did was ask ChatGPT, create me an email about how to quit your job in 60 days or less and being able to make $1,000 to $5,000 per day. Actually, that was a different one, but for this, yeah, so I just tweaked it a little bit. I then put this amount. I just changed it right here. So basically, you can just ask them for $10,000 a month or something like that to start with. And this is what I did. This is the subject line right here that I use. And all you do is just ask ChatGPT. You can just copy this prompt, write me an email, and you can just select whatever amount you want. So yeah, the secret to $10,000 per month online. This is with the subject, and this is what I did. These screenshots right here. So yeah, I just copied and pasted, tweaked it. Oh, okay, I didn't fully copy what ChatGPT did. I just tweaked the wording a little bit and made it more custom to my 60-day plan. And these resources, this screenshot, Legendary Marketer already gave it to me. It's in their affiliate resource page. I just used that. I put it in the email and put the call to action. Click here to access the 15-day challenge and start building your future today. Future awaits. More testimonials, more proof, and click here to access the 15-day challenge to your future. Be filled with freedom. I also include my email address just in case they want to email me, and also my link to my YouTube channel because I just started and I want to blow it up. So this is what you can do really quick. And this is my picture. You can put your picture there if you want to show your face. I also like to put my logo there just in case. And that's it. Just copy that, paste it. You can include the screenshots here once you become an affiliate. Now you have the email right here. You have the call to action and everything is here. So now all I did was grab the affiliate link on the dashboard, on the affiliate resource page. You want to sign up for an affiliate and all that stuff. You have to get set up and all that. Is very easy, super easy. And here what I did, I put the MLGS tag so I know that the sale and the member is coming from this link. That way, that's how I'm able to track this, right? Tag MLGS. So that's what I did. And now let's grab the link and paste it right here. As you can see here, it's right there. The link is right there. That's where I got it from. And I put the TID MLGS. And this thing is still mailing. You see there's still 12 more hours to go or more to mail all these leads. So hopefully I can get more sales, which will be pretty amazing. And then hopefully some of them upgrade too. So that's how easy it is. You just select it, paste it and all that. And that's it. Now, how do you take it to the next level? You have to do this daily, okay? You have to do this every day. You can just, as I said, you can just copy all the emails in one Google Doc if you like, or whatever you like, and do it every day. Email them every day to increase your chances to make more sales and more money. And then, to make it easier and more realistic, to get to that 60-day job escape plan and achieve your remote freedom, I added some extra steps, okay, right here. So you can watch this free video right here. It's a free traffic. If you're willing to hustle and get more traffic and all that stuff, this is one of the best trainings I've watched about free traffic and how to leverage AI. The AI training on this program is amazing, but you can just register for the video. It's a free video. You can just register here. But yeah, the results here are amazing. I've never seen anything like this. There's people like this, like making this type of money like on a daily basis. There's dozens every single day. It's just overwhelming. I was trying to do case studies, but it's like overwhelming. I'm gonna keep doing more case studies for these people, but yeah, it's pretty crazy. So yeah, you can just register for the video, and here the next step is gonna be able to watch the video and register. It's free video right there. It's just a 14-minute video presentation. It's gonna teach you how to make money by re-uploading other people's content for 57 minutes per day. This free video, I'm not sure if they explain how to use AI. I believe it does. The whole program, there's also at the end of the presentation, of course, they're going to offer you to get the system and the training and all that. I recommend you to do it if you can afford it. It's not cheap, but if you can afford it, it's amazing. One of the best trainings I got. And you can use these concepts to promote anything. You can use it to even like promote a Legendary Marketer, the 15-day challenge and all that. You can use it to promote this system as well, and that's how these people are able to make these thousands of dollars a day with just per sale. This is one sale. So yeah, I would recommend you to at least watch the free video right here. It's really good training, and you can hustle and get paid ASAP with that system. And then also, I recommend you to watch this free video I created right here. With a lot of detail about how to get free traffic for affiliate marketing using AI. It's a long video. It's 1 hour and 21 minutes long, and I should charge for this, but I'm giving it to you for free. The link is also in the description. You can watch this, and I explain to you from A through C how to start an online business and how to get free traffic for affiliate marketing. This is why I recommend affiliate marketing. Okay, it's super easy to start. You don't need anything major, and almost everything is done for you. You just have to put the pieces together, and that's it. That's why I recommend affiliate marketing. So follow these steps right here. Okay, step 1, step 2, step 3. Very easy, very straightforward. You shouldn't get lost. If you get lost, you can email me or contact me, and I will guide you through. But this is the plan right here. This is the plan to remote freedom. If you can do this, anybody can do it. I believe you can do it. It's super cheap to start as well. So you just come here again to recap. You're gonna go to step number 1. You're gonna come here and you can watch the video if you like, or just get started. For 7 days, you get a 15 days challenge it's a really good training day by day, so you don't get overwhelmed. There's also people that you can talk with for consultation and for asking questions and all that, and then all these bonuses as well. And then at the end of the 15 days, I believe it's at the end, you qualify to be the affiliate. That's where you're gonna get the link on the link right here, the affiliate link, and you're gonna promote it with MLGS right here in step 2. So I recommend you to start with MLGS ASAP. That way you can get 100 leads every day as you're completing the challenge. So that way, imagine 100 leads times 15. That's 1,500 email leads that you could have right there ready to go as soon as you finish with the challenge, with the 15-day challenge, because you're going to be getting 100 leads at least a day. If you get multiple accounts, you will be getting exponentially more. But conservatively, if you get just one account, you're going to be having 1,500 email leads right there for you to start making money with with the 15-day challenge. And then step 3, recommend you to watch this video too. If you won't have extra time and extra energy, watch this free video that shows you how regular people wake up with an additional $1,000 to $5,000 per day in their bank account every single day without needing to create their own products, websites, run ads, or personally sell anything themselves. This is with free traffic. That's why I don't want you to spend too much money if you don't have to. And then another awesome training right here on step 4 on how to drive free traffic for affiliate marketing using AI. So this is it. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna be coming with more videos about this, free traffic and affiliate marketing, leveraging AI, ChatGPT, and all this cool stuff that is happening nowadays. It just fascinates me how fast AI is advancing, and you gotta take advantage of it, because otherwise, like, imagine if you didn't take advantage of the internet. Like, people were like skeptical, oh, the internet is gonna do this, it's gonna do that, the internet is gonna wanna go anywhere, blah blah blah. People prefer to be face to face. Look at what happened now. Everybody's doing everything online, right? So now this is the time to get into the AI wave and just use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is free. You can create the emails really quick, promote it, and build an online business successfully. All the resources below. Like and subscribe to this channel for more information. Take care.